never wanted to pull something out of the trash so bad in my life.
This is oh yeah. Keanu.
Good morning. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm ibrenee, and today is Tuesday. I don't think I've talked to you guys maybe since Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all of that, because it's like January 2nd or 3rd. I don't know. So I just hope that you made it through. Let's just catch up really quick. I quit my motherfucking job. Yeah. It doesn't even feel like surreal just yet. And my son is literally trying to shoot me right now. Like, I've worked almost non-stop since I was 16. So this is new territory for me. And I'm kind of scared. I had been at my job for like 6 years, and it just wasn't giving what it needed to give.
I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good.
Yes, I'm good. Are you good?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Can I kiss? Thank you. I felt like my time there was up. You know what I'm saying? You just got this feeling. You have a feeling, you just know in your heart if it's time for you to get out of someplace. And you just got to do what's right for you and your family. And for us, for this household, leaving was the right move. I don't know if I told you guys, but my mom was living here taking care of 4, and she ended up leaving last month. No, November. She ended up leaving in November. And then we had my husband's mother, so my mother-in-law came and stayed with us, and she helped us out while we were in like this transition phase. My mother-in-law and my mother, that's on my bed, are a freaking godsend. Okay, like, I don't know how we would have taken care of 4 without them. So I'm so glad that we had their help for the time that we did. But there's no way we could comfortably put him into a daycare right now as well on top of that. So we just, there's a lot of things. I feel like there's a lot of things I'm not saying. But basically it was just, long story short, it was time for me to go. So here I am. A stay-at-home mother. I'm so ready to like be like through. I want to be through. My battery's about to die. We're about to get dressed. You know, Asia got some Christmas money, so baby girl got a hole burning in her pocket. I need to do something with my hair. As you can see, it's really oily. I did an oil treatment, and it was supposed to be like a little bit, but I kind of went overboard. So I need to refresh this silk press if I can. We'll see. So come with us. It's a new journey, y'all. Happy 2024.
Smells like great. I guess it tastes like sugar. What about this one? What's that one?
It tastes like sugar?
I mean, it smells like What's that one?
It smells like cotton candy.
Oh, 4 wants to smell. I wonder how much these are. These are kind of tiny.
Yeah. It's not a price in here. Are you supposed to guess? $5. Oh, 22.
I'm definitely getting this. It's the last one. I lost mine, so I need a replacement. This is, I think it's a rhubarb. Yeah. Cute. Okay, this is the flat iron that I have. So I guess I got it from Ulta. This is not it. It doesn't have a tag. But they have it. I mean, they don't have it down here, but I got it from Ulta, so yeah, get you one, girl. Okay? This junk is fire. Cheap could never. You guys, I got this skirt that matches this perfectly, and I'm tempted to get it, but it's 40 bucks. We're Marshalls, by the way. I mean, the exact same pattern and everything. $40 though? $40 is a lot. It's a lot. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you my haul. I got this Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics in shade Sparks. You probably can't see it.
Yeah, open it up for the girls.
Opening up.
Oh, I like the packaging.
Here it is. It's really cute.
Swatchy swatch.
How
Oh,
it
is it crusty? Is it dusty? Is it smooth? Tell us the texture.
It's pretty smooth. Got it from Marshalls.
Okay.
And then I got this wireless charger. And so from Ulta, I got the NYX brow glue.
We're going back to Ulta right now, so you might have some more stuff actually.
Yeah. So for me, I just grabbed this LA Girl concealer. And then the Juvia's Place one was broken. The one I had.
It was broken?
Yeah.
Oh.
So couldn't get that one anymore. So I decided to upgrade and get the Tarte concealer. Yeah.
And I did pick up a few things too. I got 2 of these.
Oh wait.
I got 2 Way body cleansers.
That does not say way.
It actually does, ma'am.
This is OEI.
Keanu. I got 2. It's my birthday month, okay? So I don't know if I told you guys, but it is my birthday month. So
OEI.
you know, it's okay if I splurge a little bit. And I've never had Way products. These were actually on sale for 50% off, and they were already like marked down, so I got them for $13 each. And then because it's my birthday, I did get a gift, which was I decided to get Olaplex. They had some other stuff, but they looked like stuff I wouldn't actually try.
It's called Elixir. Oh. I thought it was like
empty bottles.
Yeah, it's like
So
a
cute,
little bullshit.
and it makes a little sound. Do it. Who are you telling to come here? You stop trying to pick up girls.
Girls are much older than you with that.
Flash.
I look good. Wait, so it's you. Wait, you're supposed to like. No, never mind.
I didn't do it right.
You didn't do it.
It is Friday. I'm a little taken aback because literally my birthday's in 5 days. And I have not planned whatsoever. I did do my nails. I'm on the fence about these. I made it on my first like legit PR list. Wait one damn minute. I can't really be that excited because Ford is sleeping. Whoa, what is this? It's wet. Post workout dry shampoo mist. How weird is it that I tried dry shampoo for the first time ever and now I got the shit in my PR. I have a PR. Anyway, back to me being excited. I'm on a freaking PR list for post gym, mid heat wave, or whenever. Thank you, Bumble and Bumble, for sending me this. Oh my god. Anywho, I have good news, bad news, And then more bad news. My robe that I told you guys I got for Christmas is so plush. It's so nice. I've been wearing it all morning. But in the midst of wearing it, like I was cleaning up and I was like, hey, where are my slippers? Because it came with matching slippers. Bad news, when we were cleaning up for the first of the year, I think my husband threw them away. They were in a box that had another box in it. And I distinctly recall him asking me,
"Who's going to trash?"
So I said, yes. And I'm pretty sure he threw them out. I don't think he brought the trash to the curb. So like, do I want to try to look in the recycle? Because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in the recycle, right? Hey, remember those boxes you threw away for me? Did you put them in the trash or recycle? Oh my God. He said he put it in the recycle. The other bad news is it rained. It fucking rained. So the recycle is open and it rained. I've never wanted to pull something out of the trash so bad in my life. Upside is it's not really trash, it's just recycle, right? So it's just boxes. If you see them slippers at any point after right now, this very second, I want you to know the depths that I went to get those slippers back. Just mind your business and congratulate me on going the extra mile. Because I'm gonna get slippers for Christmas and just never wear them. What? Victoria's Secret slippers, okay? You out of your mind. Out of your mind.
My hands are freezing. Where are they cold? Okay, so we just left dinner. We went to Asian, is it called Asian Star? Asian Star restaurant. And it was good. And we all full, even for a 1.5 piece, 1.25 pieces of pizza.
And 17 handfuls of rice.
Literally handfuls.
Gotta live a vibe.